Everyone likes free things. It's not just people who like cryptocurrency who can get free things, either. A lot of websites give out free cryptocurrency to people who want to use it. All you need to start is a little bit of initiative. If you buy crypto, you might get more than you bargained for because of its tendency to change prices. Some websites may also have cash or NFTs, which can be turned into crypto. Here's how you can get free cryptocurrency for going to websites and what to look for when you do it. How to get free cryptocurrency. There are 7 simple ways to do this. 1. Join an exchange. Many crypto exchanges will give you a small amount of crypto if you sign up as a customer and make a deposit, just as brokerages will give you cash if you sign up as a client. When there are a lot of options, you may want to choose the best one. It might be worth your time to get them all, though. The good news is that this is one of the safest ways to get free coins, but you'll have to pay for them yourself. Some of the exchanges that give away free crypto are the following: Coinbase, Gemini, BlockFi, Celsius, Crypto.com. Keep an eye out for promotions and time-limited bonuses from other exchanges, and don't forget to look for them. 2. Crypto staking. Staking can help you make money on a regular basis. This can be especially beneficial to people who want to buy and hold for a long time or who want to build up their coins. Some coins pay more than others. The more speculative coins pay more, but this isn't always true. Some cryptocurrencies use a proof-of-stake protocol to make sure and manage their system that isn't controlled by anyone else. Those who own digital currency can be part of the process and earn money by staking their coins, which is a way for them to make money. There are a lot of things you can do to help the infrastructure, and you can even make money while you do it. If you want to learn more about crypto staking and how to start, read on. 3. NFTs are free. A non-fungible token, or NFT, is a type of digital asset or piece of art that can't be bought or sold. They've become very popular recently. Because NFTs aren't real money in the strict sense of the word, you can trade them for crypto very easily. So how do you get free NFTs? There are prizes for those, too. If you want to find NFTs, there are a few good places to look. The first thing that many new crypto projects do is give NFTs to their top supporters as a kind of invite bonus. The people who get the most people to follow a new crypto on its Discord channel could get extra money if they join an invite bonus pool for the most people. Another option is to keep an eye out for NFTs giveaways on Twitter. These giveaways might be for retweeting and promoting the project. The more you retweet this, the more likely you are to win an NFT. Of course, giving away NFTs can have some tax issues, so be aware of that. 4. Learn and make money. Some websites let you learn about cryptocurrency and earn a small amount of it at the same time, which is a good way to make money. Watch some videos, pass a short quiz and get the bonus. Coinbase Earn is one site that gives you money for learning about crypto. Other sites, like CoinMarketCap.com, also give you money for learning about crypto. These learn and earn promotions, on the other hand, may not always give you the cryptocurrency you want to use to learn about. 5. Crypto savings account. Looking for a way to make money quickly with cryptocurrency? A crypto savings account lets you earn interest on your money while you still have the chance to see it grow. And the interest rates you get when you open a new account can be much better than with traditional bank accounts. One option is BlockFi's savings account, which has a tiered rate structure for the money you save. You get a lower interest rate if you have more money in your account at the same time. High-flying coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum might pay out a few % each year, but stablecoins might pay out a lot more, which makes them more appealing places to keep your money. 6. Crypto lending. When you play with cryptocurrency, you can lend money to people who need it and get paid back. What it's called is decentralized finance, or DeFi, and you can use the power of digital currency and decentralized apps to make money by lending money back and forth to other people. In any case, you'll want to make sure that the person you're lending money to can pay back what you've given them. Also, it might be a good idea to fund a lot of small loans or fund them with other lenders to help reduce the risk. You should, however, use a well-known platform if you do this. 7. Get cash from a brokerage. Even a few traditional brokerages have specials from time to time, but not all of them. If you get a bonus, it's likely that you'll get it in US dollars, but you can convert it right away on the platform. Is that going too far? Is it possible? Maybe, but you will still have crypto in your wallet. To start, you might want to check out eToros, which is a crypto exchange in the United States. It is a traditional broker in other places. The broker gives you and your friend a bonus if your friend joins and makes a deposit. If you trade with traditional brokers like TradeStation, you may see promotions from them as well. When that's done, you can trade cash for crypto then. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.